So hey guys, and in this video we'll be unboxing and comparing some of the best gaming controllers for the iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Pixel and other smart devices. So I have some of the Type-C controllers with and without cooling mechanism, and there are some wireless ones as well. I'm gonna show you which one is the perfect fit for you and your phone with and without case, because the main issue right now is the phone design. Cameras are getting massive in size and some of these USB-C phones might not even fit properly in there. So that is why this video is a must watch before getting a controller. So the first one is the Backbone One PlayStation Edition. So it is a small and lightweight device, is headphone jack port, can charge your device when playing games, can even fit flip phones like Galaxy Z Flip 5, which is something you cannot fit in Gamesir controllers. The best part is it does support the iPhone 15 series too and can fit large devices like Samsung Fold as well. There's a dedicated screenshot button and can control PC, Mac, iPad and other smart devices. All you have to do is connect it with a cable and it works like charm. So I like this one a lot, but the main issue with Backbone One is there's no spring in the Type-C, so it is hard to connect and disconnect and might even break your device Type-C port, something you all should note. The second issue is devices like the Pixel 8, 7, 6, OnePlus Open and phones with large camera module won't fit properly in this controller and might even scratch your camera module. This is the Gamesir G8, so it is a lightweight device, is headphone jack and can do all the things Backbone One does, like charging your device, key mapping and whatnot. This also works with the iPhone 15. All you have to do is hold menu and view button for a few seconds and the light is gonna turn into white, making it work for the iPhone 15. Do same and wait for the light to turn green and you can use it on Samsung, Xiaomi, Pixel and other smart devices. The best part is Gamesir G8 Type-C connector got spring inside, so it won't damage your Type-C port, can connect and disconnect without any issue. This controller can even fit devices with massive camera module like the Pixel 8 Pro and Xiaomi 14 Pro. The main issue with this one is all the pressure is on a single side, so it is gonna close fast and tight because of spring mechanism, which might hurt your finger, and it still won't work on the OnePlus Open. This is something you all should note. Then there is the Gamesir X3 with nice red and blue touch and cooling fan mechanism. So the highlight of this controller is that cooling fan, which can make this cooling plate go as cool as 7 degrees Celsius. So if your device overheat, which most of the devices does, this is the best controller you can get. The best part is Gamesir X3 got spring in the Type-C connector and a really nice and tough design. The issue with this one is most of the devices with massive camera module like the OnePlus Open Pixel 8 Pro won't fit properly, and some even won't touch the cooling plate. So this is something you all should note. And then there is no headphone jack in this one, but overall a fantastic device, and those who game a lot and want to protect your phone from overheating, this one is definitely for you. Now for devices with large camera module like the OnePlus Open, there is only one solution, that is wireless gaming controller. This is the Firefly Pro wireless switch, and it is a fantastic gaming controller. This works with all the devices including all the iPhone, not just 15 series, all the smart devices, PC, Switch, Samsung, Pixel, Xiaomi and OnePlus 2. There's no headphone jack in this one, and unlike the USB-C controller whose main power source is your phone, you'll have to charge the wireless controller after a few hours of use.
This.
The main issue with this one is you'll need something to make your phone stand or sit, or use a grip, or maybe connect to a projector or something in order to see what's going on. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.